Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Ram 3500 Dually. This casting is by Greenlight in 1:64 scale, and this particular truck is from LA Police Department. So, uh, if you don't know what dually is, it's basically a truck with dual tires in the back so that it can haul and tow more weight. Beefed up axles, obviously, slightly wider than normal trucks. Now, I'm gonna start from the front. Here you can see there are a lot of good details. You got a nicely detailed chrome bumper, chrome grille with Ram badge. You also get nicely detailed headlamps. Hood also looks good with some badges on the side. You got both the mirrors, marker lamps on the top, windshield wipers, and the trim piece around the windscreen. You also have fog lamps and lower grille, which looks good, and also air dam at the bottom. On the driver side, again, it looks really nice with those chrome wheels, which you normally see on these trucks. Side step, LA Police Department badges, Ram badge, Cummins, so it's a diesel, 3500 badge, and it says to protect and to serve. I think that's the motto of LA Police Department. Now, since it's a dually, so it's wider than normal truck, as you can see. So you again got marker lamps here because it's really wider. And on the rear of the fender too, you get the fuel filler on the driver's side. Coming to the back, nicely detailed rear end with detailed tail lamp, Ram badge, Dodge badge, or Dodge Ram badge actually, not Dodge badge. Laramie. Then you got, I think, United States flag. Number for the vehicle. Normally, police vehicles are numbered 4x4. Chrome bumper with step. Bed is also finished nicely with black and a lot of small features you see on trucks. You also got the stop lamp here. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical, only difference the fuel filler. Interior is finished in black. This is how the truck looks from the top, and this is how the base looks with some details like the exhaust and differential and some other stuff. Base actually is plastic rather than metal, like some other Greenlight trucks. Overall, I think it looks really nice, though one of the mirrors is slightly messed up. Still, has got a lot of good details, and if you're into trucks, you will definitely like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.